What is up, guys? Welcome to TechHelpPro, and today I'm going to be telling y'all the top 4 editing apps on your iOS device for absolutely free. So all of these apps, yes, they are completely free, but some of them do have payment options where like you can pay real money for additional features, which I mean isn't everything. So yeah, let's jump right in. So on number 4 on our list would be Inshots. So Inshots, in my opinion, is number 4 since it didn't have any like outstanding features from the rest. So I have some stock footage that we're going to use to edit today. And let's try it on these different apps. So what we can do is put in music. Let's hope these are not copyrighted. Alright, let's see. Now this would be pretty good to use, I mean, in this video. And we can also add text, which is pretty basic in every editing app. Let's see the fonts. So yeah, it's not gonna lie. I mean, it's okay to edit a video, like a regular video. But if you were to edit something cinematic-like, which are the types that I like to edit, you know, just as a challenge for myself, this wouldn't really be, you know, top 3 or top 2. Because this is basically just editing text, filters, you know, just stuff. I know I said stuff a lot, but like, you know, it's literally just stuff. I mean, there's no other way to explain it. I guess you can split and, you know, you could do a bunch of stuff. You could move that, see how that would look. Oh, it's pretty cool. I mean, not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. I see you can't full screen it, so that's not good. Well, okay, so that was something. Okay. Wow. Alright. So that wasn't that bad. I'm saying you could also put in speed. But this is definitely wouldn't be my top 3 list since there's no, you know, green screen, something like that, you know. There's no, I don't know, put in images or stuff like that. I mean, there is stickers, of course, you know, everybody has that. But, you know, there's no, as far as I know, there are no easy ways to, you know, go on stuff like that. And everything is literally paid. Like, I pressed get, and right here there's a little payment option that you could do. So yeah, that's all about InShot. There are text features. There are songs, I guess, tracks, sound effects. Are there sound effects? Oh yeah, there are. There are sound effects. There are filters. And really just the basic stuff. So if you like what's on your screen right now, definitely install InShot. No one's stopping you. But this wouldn't be top 3. So yeah, let's move on to our 3rd place on this list. And that would be Video Leap. So Video Leap, I've personally tried a bunch of times. It is completely free on the App Store. I could show you some reviews if you'd like, or you could search them up yourself. But it's not really, you know, like InShot was. Not really cinematic editing. So yeah, I guess this is a little step up since there are way other things that you could try out, like glitch. There is effects, there's adjust, but that is a premium version of their app. Filters like InShot, audio, I guess you mess around with it. Ooh, voiceovers. That is pretty cool, not gonna lie. As far as I know, there are no voiceovers on Inshots. Well, there's no easy way to access it. I mean, if there are, then correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't want to check right now because I don't like it. Alright, anyways, this is Video Leap. Video Leap is ranked how much on the App Store? I'm guessing, give or take, I'd say 4 star. Yeah, 4.5 stars. So yeah, this is liked by a bunch of people, I'm saying. But you know, it's still that. It's the same thing as InShot. There's this. You can't even. I mean, these all cost money because these are premium, cool ones. But these gifts, you know. My God. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Video Leap. So yeah, it's glitchy, as you just saw. It's super glitchy to use, super glitchy to perform, which brings it to my number 3 on this list. I'm having second thoughts of putting this number 3. I probably would have put it in InShot, but you know, I've used it before, and you know, it's not that bad. So yeah, next on our list would be Kinemaster. Alright, this one is a fan favorite of mine. I mean, of y'all. And this is honestly like just amazing. There's green screen, there's everything. The only reason why I put it on number 2 is because most of it just costs money. Like every 5 seconds they ask you for money. So anyways, media. Let's export our stock footage. See right there, that's the pesky watermark, which you can't get rid of unless you pay. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So there's layer. You can layer stuff on it. That's pretty cool. Put in some footage right there. Okay. Yeah, see, you put on full screen. This is what every editing app should have. A full screen version. Let's try some audio. Let's try some of its tracks. Let's hear them. So they're pretty basic, you know, just basic audio. This actually reminds me of iMovie, which I'm sorry isn't on this list. Y'all probably love it. I'm sorry if you didn't see it on this list. But iMovie is an exact replicate of Kinemaster, except that, you know, iMovie's probably better than it since, you know, watermarks and not paying for stuff. So that's pretty cool. There's also text on this, you know. Text, effects, stickers, handwriting. Ooh, handwriting. I didn't try that out. Wow. Okay. So that would be handwriting. It's a messy handwriting. Alright, so yeah, that would be Kinemaster. Think of it. It doesn't have filters. Wowza. Alright, well, it didn't have filters, so sucks. Alright, number 1 in our spot. Number 1. This is the one that y'all all have been waiting for. And this would be CapCut. CapCut, wow. Not enough words to explain it, but it has everything you need. Filters, right here. Pretty cool ones, too. Filters. There is effects. Effects? Like, what the heck? That is so... oh my god, that looks so cringy. Alright, so, that would be effects. Effects. Alright, let's see some other stuff. This is just trying out the stuff. I'm guessing in this video we're just going to try out stuff. Oh, that is actually pretty cool. Overlays, so you can put video on video just like Kinemaster and any other one. Okay, that is pretty cool. let's hear their tracks. Okay, okay. That was hands down pretty cool. That was a pretty cool beat, not gonna lie. Oh, there are voiceovers on this thing? Ah, I didn't accept it. Of course I didn't. Oh, and it also offers full screen. So, that is pretty cool. Let's get to the other stuff, like format. You know, if you ever want those cinematic bars, you can always go on overlay. They also have their own stock videos, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, wow. They have a wide variety of things. And look, you have the cinematic bars that you could put in. So if you ever want a cinematic look on your video, you can always put that in. Let's copy this. Oh yeah, Chrome key. Yeah, this is what you would call green screen. Yeah, but I don't have a green screen video to put on this. But if I did, I would use it since this has Chrome key and that makes it green screen approved. So yeah, for CapCut, we have green screen effects. We have text on video. We have filters. We have canvas, format. We have stickers also. I didn't get to that, but we have stickers. And we have adjustments like putting exposure up, which makes super stuff cool. So yeah, that is everything we have right there. That is everything that we have on CapCut, which makes it #1 according to TechHelpPro. And yeah, that is the end of our video, friends. So if you liked it, drop a like. If you didn't like it, tell me why in the comments. And yeah, I'll get back to those if I see them. Alright, yeah. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.